Good morning, good afternoon, good evening friends. Today I'll be showing you how to fix the diagnostic error of Winrar. These diagnostic messages of Winrar are too annoying that sometimes it says a sudden end of the archive and sometimes it says the file is corrupted. So today I'll be showing you how to fix this. So please like my video, subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. So first come to my computer or drives where you have pasted the folder. In games I have pasted the Zoo Tycoon 2, the Ultimate Collection. When I was extracting it, I got this message. Games Zoo Tycoon 2 Ultimate Collection zip unexpected end of archive. So what I'm gonna do? Close program. So now listen it carefully. Go to your tools at the third tools. Here repair archive. Shortcut is Alt F4. Okay, Alt F4. As you can see here, if your file is a RAR file, then take it as a RAR file. If it is a zip, then tick on zip. It is a zip file now. I'm gonna tick on zip and I'll click on OK. So as you can see, the repairing of Zoo Tycoon 2 Ultimate Collection zip is being completed. So it will take some time. Friends, I'm not really gonna pause the video or do anything. Just I'll be fast forward. What I'm gonna do is close the file. So I'll zoom out. When you come back, you'll get this. One more Winrar zip archive. It states rebuilt Zoo Tycoon 2 the Ultimate Collection. So what you're gonna do is cut it from that place, make another file for that and paste it there. Then you should extract the file. Okay friends, you need to extract files. As you can see, it is extracted now. I'm really very happy, and I think you're also happy for getting your Winrar diagnostic error fixed. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you.